So in this presentation we're going to do a hyperbolic function exercise. What we're going to do is show that sine squared x is equal to 1/2 of cos 2x minus 1. So what we're going to do here is first off we're going to look at the left hand side and then the right hand side, and we're going to simplify both terms. That might be the easiest approach in this take, and show that both simplifications are equal to each other. Okay, so we have sine squared x. Let's look at that one first. So this is sine x in here, and what we're going to do is square it. Now this is in the form a minus b squared. Okay, so that is equal to a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. Just watch out for the signs. So a squared is, this is a, e to the power of x over 2. When we square that, we get x squared over 2 squared, which is 4. The exponential of e of x, e to the power of x squared, can be written as e to 2x. Okay, that's just simple power laws. Likewise, b squared here is is e to the minus x over 2. That can be written as e to the minus 2x over 4 when we square it. So minus 2ab is the last part here. So let's just write this out. I'm just going to write it out in red. So we have minus 2 times e to the power of x over 2 times e to the minus x over 2. Okay. Now, e to the power of x and e to the power of minus x, when you multiply them out, they cancel each other out. So they sort of reduce to 1. So what we have here is minus 2 times 1 over 2 times 2. That is minus 2 over 4, or minus a half. I'm going to leave it as minus a half, or minus 2 over 4, just to keep the denominators the same, just to make life a little bit easier. So we're going to leave the left hand side there, and we're going to look at the right hand side. So we have, let's recall that cos of x is equal to e to the power of x over 2 plus e to the minus x over 2. Okay, so what I'm going to do is actually just replace where we have x, I'm going to put in 2x. Okay, now it's just a sort of peculiarity of the function that we get a very similar answer to the form we had the last time. Okay, so that's cos of 2x. Essentially all I've done is replace x with 2x. That's a very simple exercise. Now what I'm going to do here is subtract 1 from both sides. So minus 1 equals that. Okay, now because just to keep the denominators the same, I'm going to write minus 1 as minus 2 over 2 instead. Okay, now what I'm going to do is divide this side by 2, so therefore I have to divide everything on the other side by 2. So when I divide by 2, I just replace 2 by 4. Okay, so you can tell now pretty quickly that that there is the same as the other side. So just let's write them out again. Left hand side, e to the 2x over 2 over 4 minus 2 over 4 plus e to the minus 2x over 4. That was sine squared of x. Cos of 2x minus 1 over 2 is equal to e to the 2x over 4 minus 2 over 4 plus e to the minus 2x over 4. Just look over your answers there. Clearly, the left hand side and the right hand side are equal to each other. So therefore we can say, go back here, we can say that this is proven now. Okay, so just when you answer this, be very clear about that final part. There, left hand side equals right hand side, so therefore we have shown that cos the square root of x equals a half cosh 2x minus 1. Just remember to actually explicitly state the actual answer. Alright, we'll leave that one there.